It is a chilly fall day, so it seems like the perfect time for a Sunday fun day to get a little liquor in us so we can warm up. So we'll go see what the dice will give us. First roll is a 6, Southern Comfort. Second roll is an 8, some cream liquor I bought out of the back of a van. And last is another 8, Dr. Pepper. All right, we're starting with the bad memories of my college days here with some Southern Comfort. And it's like Bailey's type cream. It is not what the bottle says. This is stuff I bought out of a minivan in a parking lot, and I haven't gone blind yet, so.
It is actually really good, but it was pretty sketchy.
And some Dr. Pepper to top it all off with.
My favorite soda, pop. I don't ever know what to say anymore. People always judge me for saying pop.
Minnesota, you say pop. Go find some ponies. I think that the liquor gods are apologizing for last week's concoction. What are you thinking?
Me and Ginger match. Sorry, I got distracted.
On that note,
back to the important stuff. No, this smells amazing. Like, I'm super excited for it. It's almost like an adult Dr. Pepper float. I don't know.
Yeah, rip your float kind of.
I'm so excited. Pitter patter.
Let's get at her. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
That is a quality drink right there. Quality. So 1 out of 10.
I rate so high. I honestly, I'm gonna give it a 10.
Give it a 9.5. I'm always gonna leave some room for improvement, but this is definitely up there towards the top. Now, in the incredibly off chance you can't find a weird minivan selling hooch out of the back in a parking lot somewhere, I think some Baileys mixed with a little bit of chocolate syrup would pretty much do the same thing. Or rum shot, or just any one of them cream liquors. This is a good combination.
So now I'm gonna go back inside because I'm freezing and make an entire glass of this and end my night like that. Okay, bye.
Till next time.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day. Also doing a contest for some free Rock Rooster boots. I'll tag that video in the description on here, so check that out. And buy some merch at offjowagon.com. That's what makes this channel go around. You can even get Sunday fun day koozies there, and they're awesome.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day.